A little Fefita and Fefito moment. Hey guys, welcome to the best of stuff. Oh my goodness. Yes, so you guys, look at this. This is what I'm wearing today. Hey guys, so today is the day that I see my sweetheart. He should be arriving soon, and it's gonna be an exciting 4 days. And today we're just gonna pick him up, probably go to IKEA, and that's it. So welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while since I vlogged. I have a video that I am supposed to make. It's been crazy remodeling the house and doing a lot of stuff, and then I finally finished the business room. I just need a couple of things that I'm waiting for, and the IKEA stuff that I need. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the best of stuff. Hit that subscribe button at the bottom. There's been a lot of cars passing by. So yeah guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the best of stuff. Hit that subscribe button at the bottom, hit the bell button, and then hit the hit all. That way you guys can be like notified when I upload a video. And then hit like, and yeah, let's go on with the video. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh wow, this booger. Oh Oh, what a gentleman. Guys, we're here at IHOP. Quería enseñarles my mask that I have from TBSClothing. TBSClothing, you can check it out. 3 different muestras. And today I'm wearing this one, the pink and the floral one. You can get it at Shop TBSClothing, so like check it out. Y pues vamos a comer porque estos chichos van a decir gracias. Oh wow. Oh wow. What is that?
Separate mirrors, and then they kind of look like that.
Is this
Yo, yo, yo.
Dang, Wayne, you look cute.
Wendy? Come on.
Oh, I was about to put this in your head,
No,
but it's kind of wow.
you gotta hold it.
A little Fefita and Fefito moment. Oh. It's so cute.
love you. I am in love with this girl.
Oh.
I love you for eternal life.
Oh wow. Oh wow. This is such a long line. And there's a baby.
Stephanie, I love you.
Here was a success. Ahora estamos exiting. Oh wow, y mira qué hermoso.
Hello guys, welcome to Best of Staff.
The best of Jimmy.
Oh, the Best of Jimmy.
Oh wow.
I am happy to say that this is not gonna fit.
Yes, it is. Ah! Oh wow. To the fly with dragons in the land of heart.
Far, far away.